As America's busiest international gateway, JFK Airport is undergoing a monumental $19 billion modernization. The project relies on forward-thinking electrical solutions. Bringing this vision to life hinges on the expertise of IBEW Local 3 and its NECA partners.
This JFK Airport is the largest job we have going on in the city right now, employing 1,700 electricians through 15 signatory contractors. One of the values of bringing NECA and the IBEW, specifically here in New York City on a job like this, is you have trained, well-established contractors who can do any of the signature projects that you're thinking of.
The impact it has on the city's economy as the gateway to the world, to know that our members are constructing this world-class terminal, it means everything to us.
You know, it's a milestone for us, each and every employee that came through organizing. You know, we're very proud that we got the opportunity to work at Terminal 1.
Everybody that's in this building at some point in their lives will be flying out of here. So you're kind of coming back to what you built.
A prime example of those signature projects is the cutting-edge solar and microgrid installation at the new Terminal 1, a critical system being executed by longtime signatory contractor EJ Electric.
So we are building out the microgrid here at New Terminal 1. That microgrid consists of a little over 6 megawatts of solar power, 6 fuel cells. With those, we wind up producing electricity and also chilled water and hot water for use here in the building.
The solar system is unique because it's one of the first terminals here at JFK that has it. But moving forward, that's going to be the way of the future.
While EJ Electric powers the terminal from above, the flow of travel below is revolutionized by another NECA contractor. Lionheart Electric is installing electrical infrastructure for the automatic baggage handling system, a data-driven network of carriers and scanners designed to seamlessly move millions of bags and streamline every passenger's journey.
That's the beauty of the IBEW and the NECA relationship, is you've got these large contractors and these small new contractors that are learning their niche in the specialized work that will come to define the name of their company for generations to come.
Executing these intricate, multifaceted renovations within an active airport underscores a monumental challenge, but one that's taken in stride by the men and women of Local 3.
JFK Terminal 1, the first gates are going to be open in 2026 as part of Phase 1. We're going to build on that and send a message out through the rest of New York City, our jurisdiction, to say Local 3 contractors know how to build big projects, get things done, and send that message out to other developers, other customers, as they look over the next few years of what else we can build together in New York City.
The industry has clients and customers, the contractors do and the union does. And every time a job like this gets off the ground and is successfully completed, it shows why this industry should get the next job. And every single person that travels into New York City through this airport is going to see that NECA Contractors built this and IBEW Local 3 Electricians built it.